Hey guys, I was sent a safety selector that's designed for the Mossberg shotgun. And this is from a company called Ficero or Ficero. This is a complete kit. Well, almost complete. Comes with most of the parts. But it has the actual safety selector, has the necessary wrench to install it. Here is the screw, and there is a ball bearing rolling around in there. The only thing it does not have is the spring, and so I will have to use the factory spring. So let me get this unpackaged and we'll take a closer look at it. Now this does come with a simple set of instructions to follow, so I will be using those. And here is the safety selector, and this is quite a bit smaller than the factory safety switch, but it seems to be very nicely machined. And this is machined from an aluminum alloy, and it obviously has a red anodized finish. These also come in black and I believe gold as well. You see the dimples or the divots in the bottom here. You have 4 different divots for your ball bearing, and that would be for the different models that this is designed for. And it is also reversible, so you can either mount it to where the raised portion is on this end or this end, and I'm not sure how I'm going to mount it. I would have to put it on the gun first to see which direction I prefer. So let me get this thing mounted up and we'll take a look at it. Hey, before I get this installed, I wanted to make a correction. I said that the replacement safety was much smaller than the factory, and it's not. It's the same exact size. For some reason I was picturing this being twice the size of this one, so my mistake. So let me get this installed. Okay, so I have it installed and it went right in with no problems. It was very easy to install. I really like the little raised part that's on there. You can get a good purchase with your thumb to turn it on and off, and as you can hear, nice solid clicks, so that ball bearing is slipping into the detent very nicely. Now I will admit this is a little stiffer than the factory safety, but I believe with use, you know, over time it will smooth out a little bit. And these factory safeties, these are plastic and they're prone to cracking, so the aluminum one is a definite upgrade. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, I'll put a link to where you can find it down below. You know, the red color I think is a nice little accent to an all black gun. It kind of stands out a little bit. I don't know, personally I like that look. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.